Alright guys, today I wanted to do an unboxing and review on my 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay adapter for cars. I believe it's 26 and newer. So what's cool is all you have to do is plug this into the supported USB drive that comes in the vehicle, and then you can connect it through your phone, so that way you can access to maps and things of that nature. Especially like since if we do a lot of traveling or just trying to get around, it's nice to have it unhooked up. Because the one I have right now, currently you have to have the phone hooked up. So it's always nice to have the wireless CarPlay one. And it's also convenient, like if you do like DoorDash, Uber Eats, this will come in super handy, so that way you can see everything right off the display without actually having to connect and disconnect your phone. I actually hate having to do that, but this is what it looks like right here. Very, very cool. And then it does come with your user manual. So I think that's it. Yep. So we're going to go ahead and get it hooked up and see how it does once we connect it to our phone. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get it hooked up. All right, guys, so we are ready. But lucky for me, I have an adapter that we can just hook up to here. And there you go, it turns on. So now I'm gonna screen record the process of getting it hooked up, and then we'll see what it looks like very at the end. All right, guys, so on mine, I went ahead and hooked it up through the Wi-Fi first, and then put the given password for it, and then it'll connect. And then I went to my Bluetooth and then did the same. And then bam, there it is. Use Apple CarPlay. All right, now I have it hooked up. This is so cool. So my radio before would do CarPlay, but I had to have it connected, and that gets kind of annoying. But if we go just to maps, bam, there it is. Like everything works right off of here without actually having it connected, and just strictly through here. That is super, super neat. So if you're looking for an awesome adapter for your vehicle, get that upgrade. I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.